To turn the 9330 machine on and off, there is a power button on the back. The power button is located at the back. I haven't pressed it yet. Okay, now we've already turned it on. The machine takes a long time to start up. This process takes about 1 minute. On this screen, we enter our password. Operation 1, Operation 2, Operation 3, and there is also an advanced password, which is different. If we choose different password levels, the steps are not the same. Let's take the advanced password as an example. When entering the advanced password, first click this icon, hold it for 5 seconds, then release and click it again. On this screen, enter the advanced password. Today's advanced password is different every day, so we enter today's advanced password.
332, 34, 1, and then 3.
To confirm. Okay, now the startup is complete. The machine has been started. Let's take a look at the canning machine. For the canning machine, we can operate it directly. Just press the key button at the back, press the power switch button, and the machine will shut down. Continue, and it will shut down.